Guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe. Today's video is all about Ipsy and Boxycharm for the month of October. Florida has been wild this month. 2 hurricanes. I mean, most of Florida is not okay. I was okay, but yeah, so think about the others in Florida. It's just been crazy. So this is my October Ipsy and Boxycharm unboxing. This is late, but I am getting it up. It's been wild, but here is my Ipsy bag. So I got this blush from Pacifica. It is so stinking pretty. It's in the shade Glimmer Shimmer. This blush is absolutely stunning. You do have to use a lot of blush to get it to show, but I think this shade is so pretty and natural, and the highlighter is absolutely gorgeous. I think this also would work as an eyeshadow. It is a little bit eyeshadowy feeling, but it does work really well as a highlighter. So I also got this brush. So most of the brushes I feel like, again, Ipsy aren't that nice, but this one is Wing Me. This brush is super nice. Like, it is a very soft, dense brush. I love the like iridescent handle. So I'm just gonna show you some of the highlighter. Really pretty. I think it's better as an eyeshadow because it is kind of like sparkly, but very pretty. Love that. And the blush also so nice. Then it comes with a mirror on the back, so I love this product. I love the brush. And then these are some sample sizes. Also, this is what the bag looked like. Very like voodoo-y, very what's the word I'm looking for? Psychic vibes. So this is a Beauty Stat Peptide Wrinkle Relaxer Moisturizer. I haven't tried this yet. And then I have the Vitamin Enrich Face Base by Bobbi Brown. I actually have never tried this, so I'm super excited to get a sample of it. But yeah, I haven't used it yet, but very excited for this sample. And then I got this Dew of the Gods Mini Sorbet Lip Balm, or it's a lip butter. I've used more hydrating lip butters, but it is nice that it's so small that you can just fit it. If you're a nurse, you can fit it in your scrub pocket, because I did take this to work and it was nice to have a little guy like this in my pocket. Of course, it's not going to last very long because it's so small, but that is what I got in my October Ipsy bag. Next is a little bit more fun. So I got here this Tarte Peach blush. I would say this is more of a highlighter. I already tried to film a little short using this, so it has that same applicator as Charlotte Tilbury. I tried to film a little like short and Instagram reel with this, but look how like sheer it is. It's not really a blush to me. Like, that's a highlight. And that would be a gorgeous highlight on someone with a deeper skin tone. But I mean, it's pretty if you mix it in with a more pigmented blush. But yeah, like, look, it literally just wiped into nothing. Like, it's totally a highlighter. Packaging is gorgeous. I mean, of course, it's like that Charlotte Tilbury applicator. It's only good for 6 months, it says on the back. Just reminds me so much of a highlighter and not a blush. But that is the Tarte Peach liquid blush. So I got that in my Boxycharm. And then I got this Makeup Forever setting spray. So this is a Fix and Mist. This is their hydrating setting spray, I think. Maybe not. 24-hour fix and mix. Maybe this isn't. I thought this was like their dewy setting spray. Fix, mist and fix. It doesn't say. So maybe it is a nice, like, I love setting sprays. I'm currently obsessed with, I'm currently obsessed with the Professional Super Setter. Guys, I'm a nurse, and ugh, you probably heard me say that 500 times on my channel, but I put this on top of my makeup, pat it in with a sponge. I go to work and I have to wear a mask. I like noticed my makeup lasting so much better underneath my mask, and I know it's because of this. This is like what I've been using before work, and it's crazy. It gets crazy in the Florida humidity, OR mask, all that, how much this has helped my makeup last. I kind of felt like all setting powders, I mean, setting sprays are like the same. Like, I have this next one. I love this. Like, in here, it's almost I'm getting low. This is some marshmallow setting spray. This is like the original formula. And I love this e.l.f. guy. For me having oily skin, I found this Power Grip Dewy Setting Spray actually worked really well. It gave me this really nice like skin-like finish. So I love these two. They're super affordable. I kind of felt like all setting sprays, I don't know, like they work similar to me, but this one I feel like really surprised me. I feel like it works better. But this one I just got from Makeup Forever. I love the cap. Let's give it a spray test. Okay, so it doesn't have that fine mist. Let me show you this fine mist from Professional. You see that? There's a difference. Whoops, I'm wrong. So let's see what this one is like. I have mascara on, so I'm gonna cover up my eyes. Whoa. 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 Very fragrant, which is fine. Very fragrant, but also very strong. The sprayer. So I'm gonna get a puffer. I'm not sure if you can see, but it got me a little bit in some areas. So I just want to pat that in before it gets, you know. Sometimes they get like globby. Like not globby, but you can see the little specks from your setting spray. Fragrant. I mean, we'll have to see how this wears. I love Makeup Forever's products. Like, I am obsessed with my Makeup Forever Lip Liner Anywhere Caffeine. Obsessed with my Makeup Forever powder. Like, Makeup Forever has some fantastic products. This is also just very fragrant, which I was not expecting that. It doesn't say, oh yeah, 24-hour radiance, 24-hour setting powder, 24-hour hydration. I thought this was more of a dewy setting spray. So I got this as well. Super excited for that. I'm gonna probably use this a lot more on my wife because she has dry skin. So that would work great for her. And I got this Delish Lip Scrub. Let's see what this is. Ooh, this looks fancy. It's like sparkly almost. Do you see that? It looks like snow in a jar. So I'm just gonna give this a little, ooh. Oh, that's a nice scrub. It's like weird. It feels like you're playing with that like anti-gravity sand. It's very sandy. I'm excited for that. Just got a fresh fill and some fresh talks. And then I got this vitamin C serum from Claris, New York. Love a good serum. I've recently been using Dermatology Skin, their Dermatology Needleless Serum, and it's been very, very nice. Vitamin C and retinol are very important for anti-aging, so I'm really excited to use this on in the mornings. Ooh, looks fun. It's like white, like you can see that. It's like a white vitamin C serum. Got lots of product. What percentage of vitamin C is this? It doesn't say. Interesting. So I have that. And last but not least is this amazing eyeshadow palette. So I'm sad that mine came broken, so I gotta be very careful showing you. This is the Eloise Goddess eyeshadow palette. And I mean, I love this packaging. I think it's so pretty. Okay, here. A moment for the shattered eyeshadow. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. They got these blue shades. Let me get a little closer look. And that one is shattered. Very pretty. Very pretty. Very wintry, isn't it? It's a very wintry eyeshadow palette. So that is what I got in my monthly Ipsy and Boxycharm. Again, I am just like so thankful and happy that I get Boxycharm because I grew up in college getting Ipsy. My roommate, my best friend, we lived together. We both got Ipsy, and it would just be so fun to like compare and see what different products we got. And then I got Boxycharm for a while. So anyway, and then I got Boxycharm for a while, and it's just been so surreal and exciting that I get their subscription monthly. I just love that. So that completes my October Boxy and Ipsy. Boxycharm and Ipsy. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment. I usually try and upload these in the very beginning of the month, but like I said, October has just been crazy. But hopefully next month in November, I will get this up sooner, earlier in the month, so that way when everybody else is getting their packages, they can see what I got as well. So thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you in my next video.